Say hello, Mitzi.
Hello, Mitzi.
Stay.
In true death knot form.
Speak. Speak. Well, is there 2 lights in there?
Yes.
Is there 2 lights in there?
Yes.
Honey, Anthony, there's nothing wrong with those shorts.
There ain't no way I'm gonna wear these things out.
Come here, let me see your watch.
Come on, let me see, honey. I want to see them. There's nothing wrong with them, honey.
Tony.
Look like a bathing suit on you.
Golly.
Honey, your hands are disgustingly dirty.
Say hello, Mitzi.
Oh, no.
Oh, she always walks away.
No, well, if you're going to wear those shoes, you look like
Come here, Tony.
No, I want you to see me.
Do they look all right?
Yeah, but not with the shoes that he's fixing to put on. He's got some shoes. Oh,
I didn't want to expose myself.
Hold on.
Got an itch. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Honey, you can't wear those ugly brown shoes.
Your pants fit him well.
Yeah. Don't take any pictures of me. I gotta
I guess
film
I
my
can
hair.
wear these, but the black ones are out.
I came
Those
over.
are all right. What's wrong with the black ones?
They're too tired, yeah.
Say hello to everyone, Tony.
Hello, everybody.
Say goodbye.
Oh, we're going outside.
Yes.
now.
I'm shooting now.
Oh, you're kidding me. Yeah, you missed me doing all
Now
the work.
we missed out on all the back-breaking work.
No, this is the rest period. We'll be working in a minute.
Why don't you be working now while this thing's running?
Well, we can talk to y'all.
Yeah.
This is what's known as do-it-yourself. I'm over here if you're going to bring the camera this way.
Oh, she got it on wide angle.
Oh, okay.
It's important to get me in there. Very important.
This is do-it-yourself home lawn sprinkler system.
Best part about it is the cheap labor.
Yeah, Mitzi dug all the holes.
This is what makes these home projects affordable.
Sure could use your help, Pop. Getting close to vacation time for you anyway, isn't it?
Time to come down?
Time to come down.
My apartment needs painting.
You can watch the grass grow together here. Anyway, I built the system, the lawn sprinkler system above the ground and ran it like that for a couple weeks. And now, after running it for a couple weeks, I saw how well it did or how well it didn't do, and I adjusted some of the heads. And now I'm ready to bury it. Ain't that right?
That's right.
That's right. Did you give them a tour around the house? See if there's anything changed?
Show them the system.
No, I didn't go around the entire
Show
house.
them the pump, show them the garden.
Show them where we dug, hand dug.
Yeah, show them where the suction line goes up from the canal.
Okay, that's a little far to walk with this, isn't
Oh, I
it?
shut it off and then started up again.
Okay. Now this is the area where Tony and Jerry dug the hole a few weeks ago and put the pipe in to go up to the pump, which is up there by the air conditioning system. And it draws water from this drainage ditch that I'm about to show you. I'm kind of unsteady with this thing, so you'll have to excuse me. Now here's the drainage ditch out back, and there are the PVC pipes that are drawing water from the drainage ditch. Jerry and Tony put that in a few weeks ago, and they put the concrete blocks above those PVC pipes to keep it down so it can still draw the water. If we don't have a lot of rain this year, it's going to cause problems because this ditch dries up pretty quickly. And then that leads to Seminole Pratt Whitney Road. We've been pretty lucky with the rain lately. We'll just hope that the luck holds out and that our rainy season is real good this year. There's Mitzi exploring. Hi, Mitzi. Say hi to everybody. Say hi, Mom, Pop. And Princess. This is the back-breaking labor of Tony Tuliano. He's hit a rock. He's probably digging through the septic system.
Wrong side. Okay, everybody, we're live.
That's good.
It is now nighttime, the same day that we tried to put the sprinkler system in. No, we didn't try. We did pretty good.
Got it all done. And we pooped.
Now we're just having some after-dinner cocktails.
Oh, you're kidding.
Yukon Jack and grapefruit juice.
Cookies.
You'll notice how nice and steady the film is now that the camera's in the hands of a professional.
Why don't you come over here on this side
Rest
so I don't
right
have
on
to
the
turn
bone
around.
on my shoulder, the bone on my shoulder.
Let me zoom in on Debbie's face here again. Oh my God.
So that's like a Bahama?
Yeah, it's like a Bahama Rama.
What's the Bahama rum?
They use rum,
That's good.
but it's good. You got chocolate on your teeth. teeth are all black now.
Tony's teeth were black earlier. Who's this going to, honey?
Everybody.
Hi, everybody.
What was
We're
it?
finished, Tony.
What was
You
the temperature
finished?
today? Was it warm? Yeah, the sun was out all day.
78.
It's a nice cool breeze. It was
Good
comfortable.
day. Real good day. You would have enjoyed it if you were here.
Good day to work.
That machine is called a ditch witch.
Yeah, did you get any film of it working?
What
Yeah.
did you say?
When I first started, Debbie was out there. I was trying to teach her the camera. She
Did you give him the date? Did you give him today's
No,
date?
what's today's date?
March 15th.
March 15th is Sunday. And March
The dogs too.
15th, 14th, 13th was Friday, which was the day that I took the
The
pregnant.
baby.
No, I took the fire at the hospital.
Show them the books.
You took the fire?
Yeah, at the hospital. Behind the hospital, the cane field.
Oh, okay.
Something new in the lives of the Tulianos.
Let me get a close up so they can read. Let me get these words in here.
I'm not going to say that this is something on the mind of Debbie Tuliano and Gerald.
No, Debbie, you got that right the first time.
Here we go. While waiting.
Wow, Eddie.
Wild waiting.
We're waiting for the oatmeal cookies to come out.
Just the best.
I wish I could have shown you how the sprinkler system looks.
We should have filmed. We'll film it again
You did.
when it's running.
I gotta bring that camera back tomorrow.
Show Papa's ducks.
How
Oh,
long have
yeah.
you had it?
Yeah, show them the show.
Okay, wait a minute.
I love my ducks, Pop, and my guitar.
Mine are in the kitchen in a more prominent area of my house.
Oh, excuse me.
There they
How
are.
more prominent can you get?
Oh, would it hurt to turn the light on?
Well, it might help.
Yeah.
And there's your
Show
guitar
them where the
below.
guitar is.
No,
Okay.
it's a mandolin.
I mean the
Huh?
mandolin.
Is that very good?
Wow.
Listen.
Good close up.
This is the bells we use at Christmas time to collect.
Go around collecting.
Yes.
Those things.
Oh.
Show me your automatic ice maker
Yes,
again, just in case
Oh,
I never
yes.
saw it. Okay.
It's empty
Well-
now after today. What else is new? Oh, we ought to take them in the garage and show them some of my things.
Oh,
Oh yeah, let's go out to the garage.
Those
I'll
are
follow you
Jerry's
out.
toys.
My
I'll
toys.
try to.
Take down the
Wow.
barrier, Jerry.
Yeah.
Okay, it's dark out. You have to turn on some light. There's Mitzi.
You see where we put
The
it?
garage is a mess.
We got some more light here. It's still dark. That helped. Okay, we're coming out now. See if I can bust my ass. Oh,
This is after today's job. But over here,
let me get where I can get a shot of it. Let's see. They've seen the drill press, right?
yeah, Daddy saw the drill.
We've got the new table saw.
This is for Tommy's benefit.
10-inch.
Mm-hmm.
10-inch. Okay. I'm gonna follow you around. This
No,
is.
just go on the back side of it.
Oh, okay. This next thing is a treat for me because I haven't seen it yet either. I'm gonna come around this car here trying to break my neck. There it is. Maybe a little hard to see. I'm getting a low light indicator here, but that's his new joiner planer.
You want me to turn it on and show them how it works?
You can, if you can do it without making a mess.
The garage is full of it. I've been experimenting with it.
I got these other things I need to run through there. They're rough cut pieces of wood
Yeah,
for like decoupage and stuff.
yeah. I'd do it for a price.
Yeah, I figured that. I'm kind of in low light here, but we'll see if it
Okay,
comes
these
out.
things here you use to protect your fingers. And as cut real nice. Less one finger, but real nice.
Nice and quiet. Gee, that's a quiet one.
And smooth.
Usually they make a lot of noise. Your car still holding up?
Oh yeah, car's in real.
His workbench. Drill press.
Yeah.
There's his heater. Oh, we got a shop vac. That's something
Oh
new.
yeah, the shop vac.
See, I find something new every time I come over here. He's got another dig for me. Because I'm in poverty, you know.
That ain't true.
I come over here to find, see what my brother's got.
I got every my.
You show him your new furniture? Oh, I wasn't supposed to say that.
Yeah, I got furniture.
Yeah, I mean, did you film it?
No, they didn't see it.
See that? We got another thing we got to film. Here's Mitzi.
Yeah, we
Where's
got it
Mitzi?
right after Mom and Daddy left. We didn't want them to ruin our new furniture, so we. No.
Here's his pump.
Oh, this thing here, by the way, I didn't show you. I'm going to put that on my suction side of the pump, which I'll inject liquid fertilizer.
Oh, okay. I was wondering what that was.
Yeah, so this way I don't have to go out with a lawn spreader. And I use insecticides out there and also for fleas and stuff for the dog.
Great.
So instead of paying a, what do you call them, exterminator?
Mm-hmm. Back live here in the family room.
Hey, Jared.
Yeah.
That's his new recliner,
Well,
rocking chair recliner,
it's all right.
and then he's got a new couch.
Oh, thanks. This is where the dog stays.
And that's the dog's. What'd you do with your other couch?
It's in Chris's room.
Oh.
I'm going to bring it tomorrow up. Yeah.
We gonna load it tonight?
Yeah.
It's real light. We'll throw it on there.
Let's turn it on, watch it. Oh, let
I'm
everybody
still
say
filming your
goodbye.
new furniture.
Oh,
Why don't you sit in your rocker? You got clean pants?
yeah. Everybody's seen a rocker before.
I know, but you gotta demonstrate it. Where'd you go?
Really? Let me take a picture. Amazing. Great. The only reason why.
The good life.
Oh, she-
Must be nice.
You can see up your nose.